Hello Windows Universe! In this video we are going to go over some things that you should do after you upgrade Windows 10 to a newer version. We are going to link an informative article in the link down below that will go much more into depth, so do not worry. Check your software and make sure that it is still compatible with the new updates. Especially check your security software. While you're doing that, check your default programs. To do this, go to Settings, click on Apps, then go to Default Apps. Make sure that they are set as you want them. Sometimes Windows will reset default apps to their particular setup. If you used Windows 10 Upgrade Assistant, you can uninstall it via your control panel. We offer an excellent how-to guide in the article we linked. Go to your Notification Center and check for any pending things that you need to do. Cortana sometimes dies after updates. If Cortana dies, there are a few things you can try. You can go to the Task Manager and restart the process that way. You can also go to the registry. Type in registry to go to the registry. Navigate to H key current user. Go to software. Then Microsoft. Then to Windows. And finally, current version and search. Look for the two keywords: Bing search enabled and Cortana search enabled. If they do not exist, then you can create new keywords make sure that the value data in the ones that you create or the ones that you check are set to 1. Restart your computer and see if that works. You can also re-register the Cortana app. Open the PowerShell with admin privileges. You can either type in the command or you can copy and paste it. Once that's finished, restart your computer and see if Cortana is working then. Go to Edge and make sure that all of its settings are where you want them. If you're interested, we did a video recently on how to tweak Edge to get the most out of it. We will link that video in the description down below. Then you should run the DiskCleanup. Make sure that you run it as an administrator. Make sure that things like Windows Update, if it's listed, is checked. Click OK. You should then check to make sure that the System Restore is enabled. This sometimes is disabled with Windows updates. To check, go to System Restore. Then look at System Protection and Settings. Make sure it is clicked on the C drive. If not, click on it. Click on Configure and make sure that the button Turn on System Protection is highlighted. Click OK. Click OK. Then go to the Security Center and make sure that your security is active, including your firewall. Updates at times will disable your antivirus software, especially if it's third-party ones. If you have settings like data limits, check those as Windows updates sometimes disable them. Go to Settings, go to Network and Internet, and then click on the button that says Data Usage. Here, you can set your limits as you wish. And of course, do not forget to look at Focus Assist and enable it. Set it to the parameters that you're interested in. If you are new to Focus Assist, the article we link in the description will give you much more information on this. For more useful tips on how to get the best out of your Windows 10 system, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel where we are always adding new content to make your digital life a little bit better. Thanks for watching and have a great day.